After years of working with women to heal from toxic relationships, there is one thing that I see very consistently in my clients. They all hold a similar belief. And this belief can cause you to really stay in toxic relationships, even though you know, cognitively, that you deserve better. It's the reason that when somebody treats you badly, instead of you accepting that, oh, they're just not great for me, you say, why was I not good enough for them to treat me better? And really, it causes us to have a low self-worth. And what I am talking about is the subconscious, so beneath your conscious awareness, belief that says, I am not good enough. Because of how your subconscious works, when we have a belief like that, we will actually seek in our life to validate that belief to make our subconscious right. This is why shifting and changing our subconscious beliefs are so important. And this is exactly why I created the Worthy Woman Workshop. So in this workshop, we are actually gonna go into your subconscious, release the idea of not being good enough, and then reprogram your mind to believe, no, I am good enough, I am worthy, and you're gonna learn how to embody your worth in just 3 days. There's 2 different hypnosis in here, there's workbooks, there's lessons, everything that you need. And I've actually had over 1,000 women take this workshop and they say things like this. And so if you want to check out all of the details, get all of the info, you can go to my profile and you will see it.